Hi, my name is Arjun and welcome to Mango Mania. It's mango season and it's the perfect time to make mango recipes. Today I'll be making mango muffins. These are soft and delicious muffins which I love. So before we get into it, please subscribe to my channel. Let's go! Before we start, let's try this viral hack on how to de-seed a mango. We'll start by making a slit through the middle like this. And then we'll twist it open. As you can see, this way is not effective because a lot of the pulp is still stuck to the seed and which will go to waste. Let me show you how I do it. Now that we have about 2 cups mango, let's puree it. And now into a large bowl, we'll add in the puree. Now into this, I'll add in curd, oil, I'll add in sugar and brown sugar. Give it a mix. Now I'll add in oat flour, all-purpose flour, and a pinch of salt. And we'll give it a mix. Since there are a lot of flour pockets, let's whisk it for a few seconds. Before we add baking powder and baking soda, let's preheat our oven and prepare our muffin tray. Now into this batter, we'll add in baking powder and baking soda. Let's transfer our batter into our liners. Now let's pop it in the oven at 180 degrees for 18 to 20 minutes. Let's give it a try. This muffin is crispy from the outside and gooey from the inside. It's delicious. Do give it a try. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more videos like this. Thank you.